So this is pooltool as of August 2021. It's the first time that I've sort of had something that resembles a game, and so I wanted to make this feature video to just show what it can currently do, and in the hopes that maybe one day I'll look back and see how far I've progressed. So this is the main screen. Jumping into the options menu, I can select from different game modes. I can play 9-ball or 8-ball or sandbox, which is sort of like a rule-less domain. You can do whatever you want. And you can change some physical characteristics of the table. So I'm going to, for example, I can make the table square by making the length equal to the width. And yeah, so this is the game. When you move the camera, when you move the mouse, you move the camera. You can hold V to sort of pan around, or click and move the mouse to zoom in and out. You've got some options to apply English. So here you can see I'm applying different amounts of English, which is also shown on the bottom right. You can also change the elevation, which is also shown on the right. So let's go ahead and hit these balls, which is done by holding S and then stroking the mouse up and down. And while this is happening, the shot's being calculated in one thread, and in the other thread I'm maintaining the user's control over the camera. This is pretty slow right now, especially during the break, because there's so many pairwise interactions that have to be accounted for. But yeah, I'm planning on making it faster in the future. So that's the break. Looks like I scratched. But otherwise it was a pretty good break. So there's a couple utilities that I've added. So for example, here I can select which ball I want to cue. Since I'm in sandbox mode, I can do whatever I want. So I can like hit the 8-ball if I want to. Or I can also call, shots. So for example, let's say I want to call the one going into that corner pocket. Well, I can first select the one, and then as I move around, the one ball hovers above different pockets. So this is how I can call which pocket I want it to go into. And then once I've called that, which shows up on the little log on the bottom left, I can take the shot and see if I get it in. So potted the ball. I can also move balls around, so I can select which ball I want to move and then place it anywhere that I want. So I think that kind of sums up the current state of the game. I have a fully implemented 8-ball and 9-ball game that adheres to the rules, and it knows whose turn it is, all of that. But yeah, right now it's looking kind of ugly, and so where I want to go next is trying to make it look like a proper modern like a proper modern game. So that'll be next time.